Hello, this is lecture 36, first BSc, first sem maths, unit 3. Problems on indeterminate forms from Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Now let us discuss problem 23. We have already in lecture 35 up to the problems 22. Whereas now see the problem 23. If limit x tends to 0, sin 3x plus a sin x divided by x cube is finite, then find the value of a and the limit So here for this limit function, first of all find the value of a whenever it is finite, and then substitute that a value in this function, find the limit value as x tends to 0. So this is the problem asked in 2017. See that now the solution for this, same as the previous problems. Limit x tends to 0, sin 3x plus a sin x divided by x cube is equal to 0 by 0 form. The limit value is. So that apply the L'Hospital. This is to be limit x tends to 0, 3 cos 3x plus a cos x whole divided by 3x square. Take this as equation 1. After apply L'Hospital. So in this limit, the denominator of 1 tends to 0 as x tends to 0. The denominator of 1 tends to 0 as x tends to 0. So automatically that value should be infinite when we are applying the limit value. So that but the limit value is given the problem is finite, but the limit of 1 is finite given in the problem. So that numerator also must be 0. When the numerator also must be 0, we need to proceed further. What it will be? A numerator of 1 tends to 0. Suppose 1 must be tends to 0 as x tends to 0. So that only we can go for the L'Hospital. Whenever the numerator will be tends to 0, so what it will be? One implies 3 cos 3x, 3 cos 3x plus a cos x, numerator of 1 tends to 0 as x tends to 0. This implies 3 into cos 0 plus a into cos 0 is equal to 0. This implies 3 plus a is equal to 0, implies a is equal to minus 3. So a value is now minus 3. Put this a value in the given limit function and find the limit value. So now limit x tends to 0, sin 3x minus 3 sin x divided by x cubed. Put this way, put a is equal to minus 3 in the given limit function, so that this will be there. Now it will be 0 by 0 form. This is to be 0 by 0 form. So that apply L'Hospital means limit x tends to 0, 3 cos 3x minus 3 cos x whole divided by 3x square. Again it is to be 0 by 0 form. So no need of writing always apply L'Hospital. Simply, no need of writing always, even though we apply the L'Hospital. So that we are applying L'Hospital, apply L'Hospital. It is minus 9 sin 3x plus 3 sin x whole divided by 6x. Whole divided by 6x. So again it is to be 0 by 0 form. Apply L'Hospital. Apply L'Hospital. Is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus 27 cos 3x plus 3 cos x divided by 6 is equal to, applying the limit value is now minus 27 plus 3 divided by 6 is equal to minus 24 divided by 6 is equal to minus 4. So the limit value is minus 4 now. For the limit function. So let us see the next problem. A little bit is different. It was in 2018. Find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b for the function f of x is equal to ax square plus b for x less than 2 is equal to 2 for x is equal to 2. 2ax minus b, 2ax minus b for x greater than 0, x greater than 2. Given that f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. Right. Whenever the function x is equal to 2, what are the values of a and b that need to find? Solution. F is continuous at x is equal to 2 implies LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 2. Next, LHL value, LHL, limit f of x as x tends to 2 minus is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x function is for x less than 2 is ax square plus b is equal to because this LHL is equal to this, RHL also is equal to this, means f of 2. This implies 4x square, that is x plus is now 2. If I can substitute 4a plus b, f of 2 value is 2 given. So take this as equation 1. So 4a plus b is equal to 2, equation 1. Next, RHL value. RHL, limit f of x as x tends to 2 plus is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means x greater than 0 is 2ax minus b is equal to f of 2. So that implies, apply the limit value is now 4a minus b is equal to 2. So take this as equation 2. Solving 1 comma 2, that one equation is 4a plus b is equal to 2, and the second equation is 4a minus b is equal to 2. Implies, so simplify these two equations. 8a is equal to 4, add, so that a is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. Put in 1, the a value you can put in 1. 4 into 1 by 2 plus b is equal to 2. Implies 2 plus b is equal to 2, implies b is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 0 values for this problem. Next, problem 25 in continuation. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole power 1 by x minus e divided by x. Right. Solution. Limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole power 1 by x minus e divided by x is equal to 0 by 0 form. Since or as limit x tends to 0 1 plus 1 by x whole power x, 1 plus x 1 plus 1 by x whole power x is equal to e. This x tends to infinity, and limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is also is equal to e. These are the standard limits we are written previously also. Anyhow, here I can substitute that e minus limit of the constant is constant. So e minus e is equal to 0, that it was written. Divide by x tends to 0 means denominator also 0. This is 0. So apply the L'Hospital. Apply L'Hospital limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole to the power of 1 by x minus e divided by x is equal to limit x tends to 0 d by dx of 1 plus x whole to power 1 by x minus d by dx of e whole divided by d by dx of x. So is equal to limit x tends to 0 d by dx of 1 plus x whole power 1 by x only we need, because all other to be this is 0 and denominator is 1. Take this as equation 1. What it is? D by dx of 1 plus x whole power 1 by x we need. Then after we find the limit value or apply the limit value. That we can simplify. Now let y is equal to this function dy by dx, so that y is equal to, I am taking 1 plus x whole to the power of 1 by x I will take. Log y is equal to 1 by x into log of 1 plus x. 1 by x into log of 1 plus x. So once again I will explain this as log y is equal to the left side is log y is equal to 1 by x into, so log of 1 plus x, expansion by Maclaurin series is expansion by Maclaurin series that we have to see in the coming classes. Don't worry about that. It is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4. Next. So that apply x to inside, x will be cancelled. The coming terms are to be, the next terms are to be minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 minus and so on. Differentiating that one, previous equation. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, this is 0. So that minus 1 by 2 plus 2x by 3 minus and so on. Next, dy by dx is equal to cross multiplication y into minus 1 by 2 plus 2x by 3 minus and so on. Now y value we can substitute. D by dx of 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is equal to y plus again 1 plus x whole power 1 by x minus 1 by 2 plus 2x by 3 minus and so on. So put in 1, this value can be put in 1, this is the function, and right side is this one in one equation. So that limit x tends to 0, substitute this value is now 1 plus x whole power 1 by x minus 1 by 2 plus 2x by 3 minus and so on. Apply the limit value. This value is e that we are written previously, that is e. Apply to this limit value, it is limit of the constant is constant minus 1 by 2 plus x value, x tends to 0 means it is 0, the remaining all to be 0. So limit remaining only minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus e power minus e by 2. Take minus is outside, minus e by 2. So this is the problems for indefinite forms 0 by 0. Thank you very much. Thank you. And particularly lecture 34 and 35 are important for 5 marks questions. The two 34 and 35, you can see that carefully because there are all 5 marks questions. Ultimately the previous ones we did up to the almost 20, which are to be for 2 marks questions. So the last is the problem 25th. Its limit value is minus e by 2.